Hey there, Sank, everybody. Welcome back for another amazing video. This video should clarify some things in regards to passive income tools within the crypto world.
Here comes the money.
So without any further ado, let's get this video started. Okay, so there's this word that's coming up very often. A lot of people are getting confused. Staking. This video can be very detailed in regards to staking, liquidity providing, and blah blah blah. But I'm going to focus on just staking and then just clarify what this word is and how this word is actually played. Now, there's one concept of staking which is called proof of staking, which is a consensus mechanism such as proof of mining, proof of coverage, proof of marketing, proof of attendance. Whatever it is. It's what this is a way that the ecosystem within that crypto token or project can work and make new tokens and can account for transactions, right? Staking, proof of staking, is a concept that your tokens are in the pool, and those tokens are the ones that are actually helping the validation of those transactions and pushing those transactions, or whoever's doing sending X tokens to B person. um, and that transaction has to be validated in the proof of staking based consensus mechanism project. So that's one aspect. The other aspect is staking as a form of you taking your assets and putting them into pool, or putting them into a project, or you're putting them into a format of staking your assets. You're risking your assets to make return, and this you can do through you can take your 100 tokens, stake it for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, and not necessarily just not make money back in the sense of like validation like the previous one, but you're making money back in the concept of, okay, my tokens are in this pool that I've staked for 3 months. Now that pool is being used to do transactions within, and so because there's transactions and my tokens are being used to do transactions, I'm making a transaction reward for passive income, and then you can take your tokens or governance rewards. A lot of projects give governance rewards, and you can take that as a passive income. Now, proof of staking, I've talked about this on this channel, and I'll link something up here. Technically, conceptually, is halal. There's nothing wrong with the technical aspect of it, of the consensus mechanism. But the issue is that the project that you're doing staking for, proof of staking, where you're helping validate transaction, has to be a fully halal project, and all the transactions on there should be permissible project. And for that, there's very few out there as of now, but there are a few that are coming up, and I'll obviously talk about that in this channel. Now, for staking, the other one, which is when you're putting in your tokens to make reward, that is, there's a lot of different tools that you can make money from, and you can make up to 5 to 10 to 15% depending on transaction rewards and stuff like that. I hope this kind of clarifies this word, and even staking as a whole, where you're making transaction rewards and stuff like that, is also permissible, as long as, again, the pool that you're putting it into and the transactions that you're getting rewarded from are permissible, and those things. So be careful of that also. Hope you guys like this video. I hope this kind of clarifies, because I saw a lot of confusion in regards to this. So I want to make a clarification with you. Hope you guys like it. Take care of yourself. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Take care. Assalamu alaikum. Do subscribe, like, share, hit that bell icon for notifications. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content. I'll be uploading more stuff in all of these social media websites. Thanks. Take care. Salam.